can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Hi YouTubers, welcome to another video from Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and to all my favorite and loyal subscribers out there, thank you for watching the video and welcome. So for many of my videos, I record using a GoPro or a Pocket or a standard camera. However, when you are outdoors and you're vlogging in the wild outdoors, there's lots of noise around you, like traffic or let's say wind noises. And I've been researching some products that will benefit me for shooting those outdoor videos, so that way you guys get crisp audio without so much of the background noise. The product that really stands out of all the competitors out there is the product I'm reviewing today. Now this product does give you a lot of versatility. For example, if you're doing interviews, if you're doing podcasting, if you have multiple scenes they want to shoot, there's a lot of diversity in this product that I'm sure everyone was gonna benefit from. For all the YouTubers that are supporting this channel, this is also a great investment for a product that will help you get crisp audio while making your content. So it's a great content creating product. The product that we are referring to today is the Rode wireless microphone. And this is what comes with a Rode wireless microphone. We're gonna unbox this, and I've started about unboxing already, but I had to charge everything so that you guys can see what it's like. So Rode makes some fantastic audio product. They have a variety of great audio equipment that you can do to really boost your performance of your video by getting crisp audio. And spoiler alert, this is a fantastic microphone setup. It has one transmitter and two wireless microphones, which both works independently or together to create great audio. It is always on, so there's no need to worry that you don't have the audio recording. Lots of great features. It also has the Rode Central app, which allows you to clean and scrub and really dive down into the very detail of the audio of what you want to share. So let's go ahead and unwrap this from Rode, see what comes inside, and I'll do some testing. I'll share my feedback on the Rode wireless go-to. Alright, so it has this Velcro travel case, which makes it easy and portable. And it's actually really nice to keep everything together. Once you unwrap this here, you get exposed to everything inside. So let's dump everything on the desk, and that way we can see so that's everything. Actually, something just fell out. So that's everything that comes in the Rode wireless go-to kit. Right, so now that we have everything out of the Rode wireless travel pouch, let's see what this is all about. So let's organize everything here. So this is basically the brains of the recording. It actually hosts both recording from the wireless microphone onto the transmitter. The transmitter is actually what you use. Once you power on the transmitter, you get this LCD screen which sort of explain what's happening. So basically you'll have first will be one channel, and then you have a second channel, and then you have your gain, and then you have if you're using single channel, double channel. In terms of the physical design, it's very small, very compact. It has this clip here, which is a hot shoe mount that goes into a tripod or basically a stand, so it's easy to like carry it around. Typically you would mount this on a camera, so most cameras have that cool shoe mount that you can just slide this in, and then you can use the auxiliary port here or the data port here to take the audio from this wireless transmitter onto your camera, so that way it overrides your camera microphone. It has a USB-C port. This is where you use to charge the wireless transmitter, and this is basically your on and off switch here. And yeah, that's it. It's very lightweight, doesn't weigh a lot. The second two pieces here these two are actually microphones. So these are microphones that records the audio and sends it to the transmitter, and the transmitter is where the audio is held, and you can export it to the device, or it connects to your camera and you can share the audio from the transmitter to the camera. But these two microphones are basically what you would use to make a recording. So they actually have clips at the back, so you would clip this on your shirt. Let me see if I can show you guys. So I would clip this like right here, and then it will capture the audio. It also has a USB-C port which we'll use to charge it, and that's basically it. So this is called a dead cat or a windshield. This reduces the number of like wind noise you will hear on, let's say, a mic. So if you guys ever use a mic, you'll hear when you whisk or hiss, there is a bit of an echo of the mic, and that's really a background noise. Or if you're traveling and you hear the traffic and stuff, that's all the background noise. So this acts as a wind protector, so it gets just a clear audio. And this is a really cool design because it's a twist insert. So once you twist it, it's inserted and it keeps, and it's held pretty well. So it's a really nice design, and that's really it. It has the two LED lights there, which tells you the battery if it's low on battery, and the other one tells you if it's recording. So very simple design, there's nothing else to it. And if you press this here, it powers on. And one of the unique things about this here, it's always on. So it's always gonna capture audio, even right now. So that's the microphone. So very simple design. So those are actually the two wireless mic that comes in the kit. This is the transmitter, and right now it's always on, and that's the beauty of it. While I'm talking, it's recording on both tracks. You see channel 1 and channel 2. If I turn one off, you will see that it will switch to just single channel. So right now it's on single channel, and if I put that back on, it's gonna record on the double channel. And this cable basically has this memory formation. So basically, if you're using a DSLR camera, you will plug this cable into the receiver right here, and then you'll plug the other end into your camera. Now most cell phones, you will actually have to get a separate cable which is either SC19 or SC16, depending on what type of phone you have. If you have an Android or Apple phone, this plugs into your phone, and then it just collects the audio from the transmitter and shares it with your phone. The other thing that's included is the USB-C cable. So you actually get 3 of this here, and then Rod does give you an extra dead cat or windshield. So in case you lose any one of these, you have the extra windshield. So that's everything that's included in the packaging. So very simple packaging. Like I said, it does look overwhelming because it looks like a lot of pieces, but it's really not. All it is just the brains of the recorder, which is the transmitter, and then you get 2 wireless microphones. Alright guys, so I have the Rod audio connected right now. I'm going to use this audio so you guys see the difference from the camera audio and the audio directly from Rod. The other thing that I went ahead and did, I merged the 2 channels. So right now, the 2 microphones, so these 2 microphones are actually on, but it's merged onto 1 channel. So if you guys can see on the screen there, you'll see 1 channel, and it's capturing the audio from the 2 microphones, which is pretty fantastic. That's the beauty of the Rod. It's the ability to be so versatile, to give you that flexibility to have those 2 microphones and use them to your full advantage. The other thing that I want to say about the Rod microphone Wireless Go, this is really meant for the outdoor, and one of the unique thing is having the transmitter. You can be up to 200 meters away from the transmitter, which is this little guy right here, 200 meters away from the transmitter, and still share that audio back to the transmitter. The transmitter also has a backup audio, so in case, let's say this wasn't working, wasn't collecting the audio, there's a backup audio that's saved on the transmitter, so you can access that once you plug it into your computer. The computer also has an app that you will download for either Windows or Mac, as you guys can see there, and this app allows you to edit as well as change different segments of the audio. The app is called Rod Central, and it basically allows you to fine-tune the audio so you can get the best adjustment, best audio from the recording. So really great product, amazing that Rod was able to create this here. So the major difference with the Rod Wireless Go and the Wireless Go 2 is you're getting two microphones and a transmitter. You're getting a longer battery life, and you're getting the flexibility to have the dual channel recording from the microphone. You have the enhanced stereo mode as well as single channel mode. So there's a lot of benefit to investing in Wireless Go 2, but at the end of the day, the decision is yours. See what's best for your situation. If you're just starting out, I think the Wireless Go would be enough. But if you're looking to make your videos have a little more punch in terms of the audio, definitely suggest the Wireless Go 2. As you guys can hear already, the audio is very clear, it's very crisp, and it makes for a great video recording. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys can leave a comment below. Share this video if you know someone in the market for a microphone, especially if they're traveling a lot and they want to get really good recording. This is the right product. Share this video with them. There's so much you can do with this microphone setup, as well as I hope you guys will subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notifications so you'll see the videos that I do as soon as they're released. I tend to do a weekly video on this channel, so if you want to be informed with all the latest and greatest tech, this is the place to be. I hope to see you on the next video. Be safe, everyone.